Hey guys, it's Owen Video, and we're on a quest to make the most perfect Facebook live stream. My good friend Jenny Q is in town, so we're gonna try and go meet up with her and ask her tips for rocking on live video. Let's get moving. So I made it, guys. I made it to Vinaka. We're in Carlsbad. We're Jenny Q, live stream mastress, and we've been talking a lot last hour about how to make your live streams more engaging and to get people really emotionally involved in your live stream.
Well, the first thing to realize is when you get into your area of expertise, that's where you're going to shine, and that's where your genius is.
Yeah.
And that's where people don't know everything you know, and that's why they're going to tune in to watch you.
Right.
So that you can get there. So get there as fast as you can.
Right.
Don't sit there and talk about everybody who's joining your broadcast. Don't say hello to every single person for the first 5 minutes.
Right.
The first thing when you log on, say, hi, I'm, don't even say what your name.
Right.
Just go, I'm going to teach you today the top 3 things you
Hi,
need to do.
today we're going to learn.
Right.
Yeah.
And then tell them just a little something about yourself. Nobody really cares about you. That's really what you need to know. So give them context. So say, I'm Dr. Jen.
Yeah, we talked about this. Right. I play one on TV.
And I am a functional medicine doctor. Now, tip number one. So jump right into it.
Right.
Another thing, if you want to show up with credibility, is pay attention to the little things. Pay attention to your background.
Yes.
That speaks to your audience.
Yes.
So
now, we just did a video on how to create a live stream background. You guys can check that up here. Yeah, so check out that video if you guys get a chance. But please, what are some things that your background needs to have or not have?
That's good. So just this past weekend, I was at a party.
The Brian Kramer party?
No, it was at a different party.
Oh, wow.
Someone showed me their live feeds, and they teach survival and combat.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so guess what their background is, which is brilliant.
Okay, so it's gonna be camo.
Yes, outside.
Yeah.
They're outside, they're with their weapons.
Yeah.
Immediately, people know what you're talking about.
Right.
So if you're an artist, have your paintings in the background, have your supplies.
Context, right? So that goes back into kind of context. Okay.
If you're a lawyer, have your certificates in the background with something warm as well so that you're approachable and relatable.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
All right, so how about then during the broadcast, right? You're doing your broadcast and you're doing your content, but it's kind of a moment of, wow, I've been talking a long time. What's the next step to get people talking and commenting?
Sure. Okay, so the assumption here is that you're on solo. You're not interviewing someone. You don't have a co-host. And so, again, you're creating a container for your viewers. Yeah. So you've already said, here's what I'm going to teach you. Here's who I am. Here's step number 1. Yeah. That's a great time now to take a break and engage with the viewers. Okay. And let people know, I'm going to get to number 2 and number 3, but first, I want to say hello. Thank you so much for watching. I can't see if you're watching if you don't leave a comment. So leave a comment. Tell me where you're watching from. Right. But what if you hop on and you don't have any live viewers in that time? Right. Don't get hung up on that. Just jump into your content.
I think it's so important what you just said is you got to keep going because the replay viewer.
Yes. And the majority of your views will come from replays.
Yes.
So you really are doing your live stream for your replay viewers.
Yeah. We even say welcome to the replay in the beginning of our video.
Love it.
Okay, so we've brought them into the show. Now how do we keep the show going?
This is a good time to
check your bangs.
Do a blooper,
yeah, totally. How about sharing? How do you get people to share your stuff in a way that doesn't sound like you're begging them?
Right. So there are a lot of very successful ways to do that.
Yeah.
One of them is saying, if you find this helpful, go ahead and share this out because your friends probably will too. Yeah. Or if you know someone specifically who could benefit from this information, would you please tag them so that we can help them too?
So keeping it just super simple.
Super simple. Not too many calls to action either. Is it calls to action or call to action?
You know what? I say calls to action.
Okay, that's what I said.
That grammatically, that makes sense to me. I don't know how they do it in Boise. Do you do anything to get people to like? Do you say like, hey, smash the like button 10 times or smash the heart button 10 times right now?
to get that engagement metric?
Do I personally? No.
Okay.
What do you do?
You know, I ask people, if there's like a truth bomb that somebody lays down, I go, guys, light up the screen right now. Light up the screen, because you're never gonna hear anything like that for free.
And people love to engage, and they don't know how to engage, so you're giving them permission to engage. So I like that. I'm just saying I don't do it.
You don't do it.
And you have great engagement, so do it.
Well, I appreciate, you know, we always want more. You know, I want it to be organic, but it's not always gonna be organic. Sometimes you have to ask a lot of questions, and we have these built-in moments where we're gonna ask questions at the 1 minute mark and the 10-minute mark, but we're gonna ask questions all throughout the show when we notice, hey, we're losing viewers, or it just seems kind of stagnant in the comment section.
Right.
That sort of thing.
Yeah.
So Jenny Q, how do we stay in touch with you and follow what you're doing with live video?
All of my contact info, everything is on jennyqlive.com.
So guys, check it out. I'm so glad that you were able to
I'm so glad
here.
too. This was awesome. What a blast. You guys follow this guy everywhere he is. Stalk him. Stalk the heck out of him.
Please, stalk me. I need a stalker. Well guys, I'm just wrapping up my meeting with Jenny Q. We had a great time, and I learned a ton about live streaming. If there was anything that you saw on this show that you really liked, I'd love to know what it was, because it's our goal that this channel would be your resource for all things video and live video marketing. So let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out these other awesome videos, and we will see you guys next time.